Welcome to the future of urban commuting. The year 2024 brings with it a revolution in transportation with the top 5 best foldable electric bikes. Combining convenience, eco-friendliness, and cutting-edge technology, these foldable e-bikes are designed to transform your daily journeys. From sleek designs to impressive battery life, these innovative marvels promise a seamless blend of portability and power. Join us as we explore the leading contenders that are reshaping the way we move through our modern cities. Number 5. Hi-Peak Elias. In the world of folding electric bikes, the Hi-Peak Elias stands tall as a game-changer, combining innovation, convenience, and power into one sleek package. Designed with a 6061 aluminum frame, this folding electric bike offers stability and a space-saving solution, ideal for sport utility vehicle and RV enthusiasts who crave both versatility and performance. At the heart of the Hi-Peak Elias is a 750 watts high-power brushless gear motor, boasting a robust 65 Nm torque and a remarkable 25 miles per hour top speed. Powered by a 48 volts 15 ampere hour battery, the Hi-Peak Elias is designed to take you farther than ever before. With a charging time of 5 to 7 hours, this bike provides an impressive 60 miles of range. Equipped with 20 by 4 inches fat tires and a Shimano 7-speed system, along with a 7-level pedal assist system, the Hi-Peak Elias guarantees a customizable and comfortable riding experience. The front suspension, coupled with 180mm mechanical disc brakes, offers exceptional control and safety. The Smart LCD display provides a multifunctional interface, allowing you to monitor your ride with ease, while the comfortable saddle ensures hours of enjoyable riding. The inclusion of a half-twist throttle adds an extra layer of convenience. All these remarkable features are available at an astonishingly affordable price of $1,099. Whether you are a dedicated cyclist or a recreational rider, the Hi-Peak Elias offers a seamless blend of power, comfort, and value, revolutionizing your biking experience like never before. Number 4. Hey-Bike Tyson. When it comes to electric bikes that effortlessly blend style, performance, and safety, the Hey-Bike Tyson stands tall. With its captivating uni-body design and lightweight magnesium frame, this electric bike is a head-turner in the world of e-mobility. Safety takes precedence in the Hey-Bike Tyson. Priced at $1,699, the Hey-Bike Tyson offers unmatched value for its features. Equipped with a robust 750 watts brushless gear motor boasting 65 Nm torque and accommodating up to 400 pounds of load, this bike is ready to conquer any terrain. It effortlessly accelerates to a top speed of 28 miles per hour, providing a thrilling ride that pushes boundaries. The heart of the Hey-Bike Tyson lies in its UL 2271 recognized 48 volts 15 ampere hour battery. With a charging time of 4 to 5 hours, it powers journeys up to 55 miles, ensuring you are ready for long excursions. The dual suspension system ensures enhanced stability, making rough terrains feel like a breeze. Classified as a Class 3 e-bike, while offering a TFT4G Smart LCD display for intuitive control. The 20 by 4 inches fat tires, coupled with the Shimano 7-speed pedal assist system, make conquering varied landscapes a joy. The half-twist throttle adds convenience, perfect for navigating tight spaces. Safety is further heightened with hydraulic disc brakes and a hydraulic suspension front fork, complemented by turn indicators for added visibility. The Hey-Bike Tyson is not just an e-bike. It is an experience. It is a fusion of innovation, design, and performance that takes you on adventures limited only by your imagination, whether it is city streets or rugged trails. Number 3. Gozen Q7. The Gozen Q7 is a true game-changer in the world of foldable electric bikes, offering a blend of cutting-edge features and exceptional performance. Designed to elevate your riding experience. At its core, the Gozen Q7 features a robust 6061 aluminum frame, ensuring stability while you navigate various terrains. Equipped with a 48 volts 31 ampere hour dual battery setup, it extends your range to a remarkable 100+ miles. The enables you to seamlessly switch between power sources. The 750 watts brushless motor, with a peak power capacity of 1000 watts, delivers an exhilarating ride with a torque of 65 Nm. This motor is harmoniously coupled with Shimano's 7-speed transmission, granting you control over your pace. The Gozen Q7 accelerates to a top speed of 28 miles per hour, conforming to Class 3 standards. To enhance your comfort, a rear suspension absorbs shocks, ensuring a smooth journey even on rough terrain. The 20 by 4 inches fat tires, paired with a 52T crankset, offer optimal traction and pedal assistance across diverse landscapes. A spring suspension fork with adjustable lockout further refines your riding experience, while the thumb throttle and LED light provide added convenience. The Gozen Q7 features a hydraulic disc brake system for reliable stopping power. The multifunctional display, rear light, and sleek design complete the package, providing both style and functionality. Remarkably priced at $1,599, the Gozen Q7 opens the doors to unparalleled biking adventures. Its compact foldability ensures easy storage, while its exceptional specifications promise an electrifying journey every time you hit the road. Number 2. UYK6 Pro. The UYK6 Pro is set to redefine your cycling experience with its exceptional features and cutting-edge design. This e-bike strikes a balance between durability and elegance, crafted with a 6061 aluminum aviation-grade magnesium alloy frame. One of the standout features of the UYK6 Pro is its Samsung 48 volts 25 ampere-hour large-capacity battery, delivering an impressive 80 miles range on a single charge. Charging the battery is a breeze, requiring just 8 to 10 hours to reach full capacity. Packed with a powerful 1000 watts brushless motor, capable of generating 96 Nm max motor torque, while the Shimano 8-speed ensures seamless transitions between gears. The UYK6 Pro achieves a top speed of 28 miles per hour, providing an exhilarating experience for thrill seekers. The multifunctional LCD display, equipped with USB charging, enhances both functionality and safety. The 20 by 4 inches Candy all-terrain tires offer superior traction, complemented by the 5 levels of pedal assist. Enhanced braking capabilities come courtesy of the hydraulic disc brakes, boasting all-weather stopping power with 160mm discs. The lockable hydraulic shock absorber front fork further guarantees a smooth and comfortable ride. The UYK6 half-twist throttle and ergonomic adjustable saddle cater to individual preferences, and the intelligent 5 pedal assist levels provide a personalized riding experience. All of this comes at a remarkably affordable price of $1,399, making the UYK6 Pro a game-changer in the world of electric bicycles. Whether you are exploring the city streets or venturing into the countryside. Number 1. Walk H6ST. Experience the thrill of the outdoors like never before with the Walk H6ST electric bike. Boasting an exceptional blend of power, endurance, and versatility, the H6ST is designed to revolutionize your biking journey. Crafted with precision, the H6ST features a sleek frame constructed from 6061 aluminum alloy with smooth welds. Equipped with a formidable 750 watts brushless motor, which can reach a peak power of 1,400 watts, the bike offers an impressive 80 Nm maximum motor torque. Shimano's 8-speed transmission system complements the motor. A standout feature of the H6ST is its dual battery configuration, with a combined capacity of 1680 watt-hours, thanks to 21 ampere-hour and 14 ampere-hour removable lithium batteries. Riders can conquer the trails for up to 80 to 100 miles on a single charge. Charging takes only 4 to 5 hours to attain full capacity, zooming up to a top speed of 32 miles per hour. The H6ST ensures exhilarating rides while maintaining control with dual hydraulic disc brakes. The 20 by 4 inches all-terrain fat tires provide exceptional grip and stability on varied surfaces. The full-color Smart LCD display with a USB port keeps riders informed and connected. Engage the 5 levels of pedal assist, including an energy-efficient eco mode and a more spirited sport mode, courtesy of the cadence sensor. Notably, safety is a priority with the integrated LED front light and tail light with a brake signal. With an affordable price point of $2,499, the Walk H6ST electric bike makes high-performance outdoor escapades accessible to all. Unleash your inner adventurer and elevate your cycling experience with this remarkable two-wheeled companion.